Hello, it's Robert Schwimmer, and welcome to my channel, where we explore from the air, above and below the surface. Recently, Southern California hills and mountains were blanketed with snow. I decided to go out and shoot and capture some imagery at Castaic Lake, which is near Interstate 5, where the highway had been closed for days to all traffic. What I didn't know at the time, I would have a truly rare opportunity to drive a portion of Interstate 5 with no vehicles. On the west side of Castaic Lake, I took the old Ridge Route road up into the hills to capture a panoramic and a few shots of the interstate with no vehicles. What I didn't realize, the road had been plowed all the way up to the Templin Highway. The northbound on-ramp to Interstate 5 was gated off, but I soon discovered that the southbound route was accessible. Join me on a rare experience of driving Interstate 5 with no vehicles. Upon arriving back in the town of Castaic, I documented the gridlock of semi-trucks waiting for days for the interstate to open so they could, either deliver their goods or just get back home. A lot of patience. Well, I hope you enjoyed this journey down Interstate 5 with no vehicles. Certainly a rare experience for me. Thank you to my loyal subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you consider subscribing. And if you like the video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Thank you.